How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. Do any of you guys happen to struggle with hamstring stretching? Every time you stretch your hamstrings, you don't go anywhere, you feel super tight all the time? Well, I've got a nice little solution for you here. We're going to go through some quick thing called PAILs and rails, which stands for progressive or regressive, angular, isometric, like holding still, loading. So I want you to think about your muscles like a spring. If you take a spring and you push it down, all kinds of tension there. What does the spring do next? Bam, it opens back up. So we're going to use our muscles with that exact kind of mind in place. So here's your test. You're going to start off throwing your leg up on something that you can hang out there and feel the stretch. I want these toes pointed up. I don't want your leg bone turning out so your toes are here. I want those toes pointing to the ceiling. While keeping that leg straight, you're going to lengthen out your spine. I'm not leaning backwards. I'm thinking about my head touching the ceiling. This butt cheek's going to work. Take a deep breath in and hinge forward. Ooh. You'll feel a bit of a stretch in there, so use this as your progress report to see where you're starting off at. Feeling that stretch. Hang up there for about 20 seconds. Step number 2, you're going to take that knee, you're going to unlock that knee just a little bit, and we're going to think about 5 gears, just like a car. Gear 1, gear 2, 3, 4, 5. Going faster and faster. In this case, we're going to think about more and more and more tension. Being able to control a little bit of tension and a lot of tension and everywhere in between there gives you better active range control with all your movements. Jumping and landing, cutting, changing direction. So check it out. So my knee is slightly bent. I'm going to make myself tall. I'm going to take that heel. I'm going to dig that heel into the surface I'm pushing down on. And I'm going to think about pulling that heel up underneath my butt. 5 gears. So I'm going to put my fingers here so I can kind of feel that hamstring. Deep breath in, push down. Okay, level 1. Feeling some work there, feeling it get tighter. A little bit harder, pushing down and pulling back. Level 2, yep, definitely getting tighter. I'm feeling from the bottom of it to the top, seeing that things getting tight there, different if all the areas are working. Level 3, pushing harder. Level 4, pushing hard. Level 5, as hard as you can push. I'd like to hang out here for about 10 seconds, pulling as hard as you can, pushing down that heel and pulling it underneath you, feeling that thing work. And relax. That's roughly about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you're going to go the opposite direction. So I just contracted that thing. Now I'm going to lengthen it out. On this one here, again, we're going to be taking a deep breath in. You're going to be engaging that lower core in this quad. You're going to try to raise that leg up all 5 gears. So level 1, I got to go something lower. That's too high for me. So I'm going to start off here. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Hold it as far as you can. This butt cheek here should be working. I'm not trying to lean back. I'm trying to keep everything stacked up so I'm nice and tall. Hold there for about 10 seconds. That butt cheek is working. 3, 2, 1. Relax. After 1 series of that, lengthen out, leg is straight, hinge forward. You should hopefully have a little bit of more room. So that's your homework. If you're stuck in hamstring stretches, try that out. So again, 20 seconds, feeling the stretch. 20 seconds, unlocking your knee, pushing down and pulling. Through 5 gears, more tension as you go. And then 5 gears of raising that leg higher. Try that out, about 2 or 3 rounds out on each side. Every time you come back to the stretch, you should have a little bit of more room. Your hamstrings will thank you later. Guys, make it a great day.